Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today and learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad. And we're going to look on how to create a highlight or a note in the Study Center by selecting the text. Now, there are multiple methods of text selection within the app. I find the easiest to be this. I long click on the first word, and then I just drag my finger through to the last word, and then I lift up. Now you say, well, how do I know where the last word is? Well, you're lucky in the iPad or on the iPhone, it gives you see the little tiny magnifying bubble there? So you can actually see the point in which you want to stop. So that's method number one. Now, method number two of selecting a text is I can long click on the first word, and if it's a long passage of text that I want to select, you carefully place your finger on the screen, don't tap it, move it up until you come to where you want to do your highlighting in between, and you long click again, and then all of the text in between is going to be highlighted. And if you want to correct that, you saw how I just clicked on the tooltips, okay? And I can actually increase or decrease the selected area once I put my finger on the tooltip. Let's do that again. If I long click on the first word, I go down to the last word I want to highlight, and everything in between is selected. Now you say, well, I can't quite get to the tooltip. Not a problem. Just carefully move up the screen, put your finger on the little tiny tooltip, lift up, and now it's perfectly selected. So now I can go ahead and I can select the highlight, I can highlight the text and save. And all the text in between here is now highlighted. So that's text selection. Now, maybe I want to do a single word and look that up. No problems. Just double tap and that automatically selects the text, which is great for doing a definition. And there I can go and look up the definition for that word pierced. So that's the simple three methods of selecting text within the EGW Writings 2 app. Thanks for joining us. Have a nice day.